You just got to the end already. What's this? Can you hold the camera? Just stay right there, and I'll try to climb it, and then climb when I get there.
Whoop-de-doo! You stuck?
No.
Hurry up, get up.
I can't.
Go.
I can't.
Just run with all your speed.
Ow!
Is your butt okay? You want to hold my camera while I try going up?
Sure.
Here, I'll throw it. I know, you're like 2 inches away.
Let me get there. Don't even try to throw it.
I better not fall like you.
This is gonna be funny. Where were you? Like right here?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh!
Nice butt, Rhea. Not nasty. How'd you do that?
No, don't break! That was hurt.
I'll just try it. Ah! Shoot! No. Not yet. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it off. Sorry, guys.